theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 40, so 40 divided by hypotenuse 41, so 40 divided by 41. Next cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, so adjacent side 9 by 41. Next tan theta opposite side by adjacent side, opposite 40, adjacent side 9. So next cosecant theta inverse, so hypotenuse by opposite side, so 41 by 40. Secant theta inverse of cos theta, so hypotenuse by adjacent side, so 41 divided by 9. Next cot theta adjacent side by opposite side 9 by 40. So we know this formula very well. You do the sums easily. From the given figure, find the values of sin B. This is homework. I do this only. Another one you find second sum, third, fourth, that and all. This is 13, this is 5, this is 16. First we find sin B. Sin B means this is theta, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. We find opposite side. So how do you find? Use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem equal to hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite side squared by adjacent side squared. This is hypotenuse 13 squared. Opposite side you don't know, so opposite side plus adjacent side 5 squared. 13 squared 169 is equal to opposite side 5 squared 25. Plus 25 come this side, change into minus 25. 169 minus 25, 144 equal to opposite side. So we take root 144, so opposite side equal to 12. So we find this. So sin B equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side 12, 12 by hypotenuse 13. If you find sin D means sin, you find this place. So you know this 13, now only we find this is 12. So this side we find. So hypotenuse is equal to, hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared by plus adjacent squared. Opposite 12 squared plus 16 squared. 12 squared 144. 16 256, 400. We take root equal to 20. But this one 20. So next question also homework. We do the homework. Next, if 2 cos theta equal to root 3, then find all the trigonometry ratios of angle beta. 2 cos theta equal to 3, so cos theta equal to root 3 divided by 2. This multiplication change into divide. Cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Cos theta equal to already know adjacent squared by hypotenuse. So adjacent side equal to 2, hypotenuse equal to adjacent side equal to root 3, hypotenuse equal to 2. So we will find opposite side. Already you know the formula by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Hypotenuse 2 squared, opposite squared you don't know, so opposite squared plus adjacent side root 3 squared. 2 plus 2 squared 4, opposite squared root 3 squared 3, the root only cancels. 4, the plus 3 comes to change into minus 3, opposite squared 4 minus 3 1. So opposite side equal to root 1. If you take root 1, answer is 1. So opposite side equal to 1. Next, find all the trigonometry ratio. Already I said trigonometry sin theta, cos theta. First we find sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 1. 1 by hypotenuse 2. Cos theta already find. So next tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side 1, adjacent side root 3. Next cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. So 2 by 1 equal to 2. Secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent side. So 2 by root 3. Next cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. So root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. Next fourth question, if cos A equal to 3 by 5, then find the value of sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. And cos A, like this last sum, cos A equal to 3 by 5. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side equal to 3, hypotenuse equal to 5. So we find opposite side by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Hypotenuse 5. 5 squared is equal to opposite side don't know, so opposite squared plus adjacent 3. 3 squared. 5 squared 25. 3 squared 9. 25 minus 9. Plus 9 comes as a change into minus 9. 25 minus 9 16. So opposite side equal to root 16. So opposite side equal to root 16, answer 4. So next we find sin A. Sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 4, hypotenuse 5. 4 by 5. Next tan. Tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side 4, adjacent 3. So 4 by 3. Next you substitute this formula. Sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. Sin A is equal to 4 by 5 minus cos A equal to 3 by 5 divided 2 into tan A equal to 4 by 3. And denominator is same. So you subtract the numerator. 4 by 4 minus 3 1. 1 by 5. Next 2 4s are 8 by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. The 8 by 3 upside called the change into reciprocal. Change into 3 by 8. So answer 3. 5 8s are 40. So 3 by 40. Next, if cos A equal to 2x by 1 plus x squared, then find the values of sin A and tan A. So cos A equal to 2x plus 1 plus x squared. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side 2x. hypotenuse equal to 1 plus x squared as usual by Pythagoras theorem. How do you write? Hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent side squared. Hypotenuse 1 plus x squared the whole squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent side 2x the whole squared. 1 plus x squared the whole squared. So we use a plus b the whole squared formula. A plus b the whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is a, this is b. So a squared 1 squared 1 plus 2ab 2 into 1 into x squared. Next b squared, b x squared the whole squared is equal to opposite square. 2 2s are 4 x squared 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 1s are 1, 2 into x squared 2x squared plus x squared the whole squared x power 4, 2 2s are 4 opposite square plus 4x squared. 4x squared come this side, change into minus 4x squared. 1 plus x power 4. This is same. This also 2x squared. This also 4x squared same. So this is plus symbol. This is minus symbol. Different symbol means you subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. The greatest number 4. So you put greatest number symbol minus 2x squared. Next, how do you write this one? X squared minus 1 the whole squared. How do a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. We use this formula, right, like this. This is opposite side. So you take root opposites. So opposite side equal to x squared minus 1. First we find sin A and tan A. Sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side x squared minus 1 by hypotenuse 1 plus x squared. Next tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side x squared minus 1, adjacent side 2x.